guys, today we're playing Roblox Rivals. I found this trick where you have to use RPG travel satchel. Guys, don't worry, this just limits the slowdown. You can do it in a real match also. So it's like basically like this, but it looks harder than it looks. But just look. Like this. It is really hard. I've done this off camera before. And it actually is hard. By the way, shout out to Izan Al Quadami and shout out to Jumbo Edis 1. Those guys are my friends. Everyone, please go support them and please support me as well. That would be really fantastic. No, bro, this looks harder than it looks. I'm not joking around. This is actually really hard. If you guys are a sweaty or pro nerds, if you're like a nerd, if you notice, this is actually pretty hard. Bro, but if you're a sweaty nerd or a pro, you can actually do it, I think. Bro, this actually looks hard. This actually looks really hard. Trust me, guys, it is really hard. I saw a YouTuber did it, and they actually did it. But I have to do this really quickly. No, guys, here's the trick. I'll give you a hint. You have to use RPG to boost yourself, and then you use satchel. But then there's like a barrier wall, and then you have to try put your travel as quickly as you can, and then you have to stand on it. That's like a trick. I'm gonna try to do that. No, how am I failing that? And I did this off camera, and I already died 31 times, I think. Alright, here we go. Try it. Wait. No! Guys, you saw that. Did I touch it? I touched it! Wait, I don't think I touched it. I think that was my leg who touched it. But I literally touched a teeny bit of it. No! This is actually so hard. Wait, I have an idea, I think. What happens if I go in shift cam, right? Wait, I don't think that'll work, actually. Wait, alright, 3, 2, 1. This looks harder, right? Good. No! Guys, here's the tricky part. When you see a barrier wall, you have to... It was on the other side. On my screen, it was on the other side. So you have to be really careful with this. It's really hard. Like, it is really hard. Look. No, I think I was touching it. No, I'm not touching it right here, but I think I was touching it when the first place I died. Right, this is actually really hard. Good. Let's try. Guys, I did it. No way, I actually did it. Nah, this is maybe the hardest thing to do. I actually just did it. Bro, this took so long off camera, and I actually did it. I actually did it. That's insane. That's actually insane. Sorry guys, I'm back. Bro, you saw that though. I actually did it. I don't know how I called it. Should I do it again? Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Good. No, I did it! Wait. Oh, wait. I actually did it though. I was standing on it, but then it said warning. But I was not a little close. But I actually did it though. But that was insane. Let me try again. Oh, okay, now it's getting a little harder, but I think I did 2 times, yeah. But the second time, I think it said warning, but I still did it. I was standing on it. It said warning, so I had to go a little closer to the barrier wall so it doesn't say that. That's the trick. That's how you do it. Alright, let me try again. Alright, I'm gonna try again. 3, 2, 1, and go. No, I did a little too late. I put the satchel a little too late. Hold on, guys. Wait 1 minute. Alright, never mind. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and go. No, this is actually pretty hard. This is actually really hard, but I did it like 2 times now. Alright, let me try. Alright, this is actually pretty hard now. I think I died 42 times. I did this off camera as well, so that's why. Come on. No! It said warning again. I have to be really close to that barrier wall. I don't know if I can do it fair times. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and go. Good. No! I was about to make it 3 times. Okay, that's pretty close though. That's actually really close. Guys, here's the tip. You have to get RPG, travel, satchel, and satchel. But you have to get a private server. Private servers are free in Rivals, so get one private server and then go. You see, there'll be a control pad. There's a hand on it, and then you press that, and you'll see limits list loadout. You put that, and you press unlimited play, unlimited maps, and unlimited time, right? And then you press that self key, right? And then you put it on limits to loadout, and then you put RPG, travel, satchel, and satchel. And then here's the tip how to do it. You put RPG first, and then you do satchel 3 times. It's really hard, but it's kind of hard and kind of easy at the same time because I did twice. So I think one of you guys can actually do it. Okay, let me try again. This, like this. Okay, this is pretty hard. Wait, let me try one more time. Alright. So like this. Boom. Come on. Oh my god. I was so close. But I was on the barrier wall, I think. 1 millisecond, it didn't say warning. It didn't say warning. Wait, guys, wait 10 seconds. Alright, guys, I'm back. Okay, let me try again. Alright. That's actually pretty hard. This is pretty hard. Wait. And at the end of the video, but that was a tip I did twice.